Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Bitget account. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into bitget.com. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the top right, hover over your profile. And once you're in here, click on your profile. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right once more. And here we have the My Profile button. So just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll all the way down and you will find the delete account button. Okay, so what you got to do is just click on this right arrow key, click on it. Now it will make sure that you sell your positions first and then withdraw account balance, including sub accounts. Okay, if you do have sub accounts. So just click on this option right here, sell your positions, and it will just land you to the trading section right here. Okay. And once you're done selling your positions, you can go back to Bitget right here, open up your profile once more, just like so, profile, scroll all the way down, delete right here, and withdraw account balance as well. Now, once that's done, tick on this option. I've confirmed that my Web3 wallet has no asset. And after that, just close your account right here, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you delete your Bitget account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.